calculate percents with shortcuts. We've already learned the shortcut today. That's where you change the percent to a decimal and multiply. So if I wanted to find 30% of 120, I would take that percent, change it to a decimal, back it up, or divide by 100 and find out that it's 0.30 times 120, which equals 36. For number 2, change 45% to 0.45. Of means times 400 will give me 180. Now 9%, remember, you have to back it up, or divide by 100. So it's actually 0.09 times 600, which equals 54. And the last one, 72% of 1,100 is 792. Let's practice a few more of these. This is what we were doing in class on the last section, changing the percents to decimals. If you don't like that way, the is over the of and the percent over 100 can always work to set up that proportion, whichever you prefer. So go ahead and give these a try. Come back and check your work. All right, you should have gotten 3% of 45 is 1.35. 15% of 64 is 96. 44% of 125 is 55. 2% of 15.4 is 0.308. 125% of 40 is 50. And 12.5% of 80 is 10. Hopefully you're getting this down. Now, here's some more story problems. In 2006, there were 124,521,886 households in the United States. About 64% of U.S. households had at least one computer. How many U.S. households had one computer? Well, we have to do the multiplication. Change 64% to a decimal, 0.64 times 124,521,886. What does that give you? It gives you 79,694,007 households. And then they said about 57% of the U.S. households had access to internet. Again, set up your proportion. Change 57% to a decimal, 0.57 times your 124,521,886 households. You're going to get 70,977,475. You're actually going to have a decimal, 0.02 on your calculator. Well, you can't have 2/100 of a house, so you have to round that off. When stores have sales, they offer advertised items at a certain percentage off. In the rest of this, we're going to talk about how do we calculate what we pay? What do we save? So here we go. All athletic shoes are on sale for 20% off the original price. Caroline bought a pair of cross trainers with the original price of $80. What was the sale price for the pair of the shoes? Explain how you found your answer. Well, first I got to figure out what is 20% of $80. Well, 0.20 times 80. That's the first thing that I need to figure out is what am I going to save? That's going to give me $16. Now, I saved $16. So to find my final answer, this is how much I saved. This is the one I'm paying. So then I have to take 80 minus the $16 I'm going to save to find out that the shoes actually cost $64. Sales mean I have to subtract, or percentages off means take it away. All right, number 13. All fall jackets are on sale for 35% off the original price. Miguel bought a jacket originally priced at $60. How much did he pay? Well, 35% of 60, and remember, you can set these up for proportions as well using the is over the was, is $21. 60 minus 21, what did I save? Gives me the price of $39. So this would have been $39 was my price. Now the last one says a CD player originally priced at $120. It's on sale for 25% off. What's the sale price? All right, well, let me get some of this out of our way so I have some room to write for you. All right, I'm going to do this one as a proportion. The is what I don't know. What am I saving? The original price was $120. I am getting 25% savings. Remember, percents go over 100. Cross multiply and divide by the lonely guy makes X equal to $30. I'm going to save $30. Well, 120 minus 30 equals $90. So that CD player costs $90. Here's another one. At KC Nichols back to school sale, everything is 40% off the price marked on the tag. Find the sale price for each item. Well, the price on the tag for the backpack is $37.10. Is that $37 even or $37.10? So we have to set that up. What is 40% of $37.10? That's the first thing that you need to do. So go ahead and write this out and see what you come up with. And then you can come back and check your work. All right, so if you took $37.10 times 40% or times 0.4, you would find out that you're saving $14.84. Now to find out your price, you take your $37.10 and subtract $14.84. So when you put that into your calculator, you should come up with a total of $22.26. That is what they would have paid for that backpack. Now for the computer, it's $970. Go ahead and find out what your savings is and what you would have actually paid for it. All right, hopefully you found out that this computer, 40% of 970 is $388, and that you paid for that computer $582. If you didn't get that, try again. All right, here's another one. At a Celebration card store, birthday cards are on sale for 25% off. What's the sale price of a card that was originally marked $1.60? Well, same thing. It doesn't matter how big or small. 0.25 times $1.60. What do I get when I cross multiply and I divide? You should get, actually, I better put that in my calculator. 0.25 times $1.60 is 40 cents. That's how much you're going to save. So that means the sale price would have been $1.60 minus 40 cents to find out that it was $1.20. The last one is Zehrs and Game Hunt. Both are usually charged $75 for Zorscue, a handheld electronic game. This week, it's on sale for $60 at Game Hunt and 25% off at Zehrs. Which store should you buy it at? Well, you're going to have to figure out the price for both. So, if I say that at one place it's $60, that's the sale. I don't really have to do anything for that because it already told me what the sale price was. But the other one, it was $75, but 25% off. That one I have to actually do the math for to figure out that I'm going to save $18.75. If I take $75 and subtract $18.75, I'm going to find out that it's $56.25 at Zehrs. So I would want to buy it at Zehrs. They're going to have the better buy. All right, that's it. You are to finish page 10 and 11 in your blue books.